Jaydenn go and Jaydenn in and Jaydenn come up. Right? She not be a mother yet.
Rose, if man,
If not, stop, come and yeah, look, yeah, mama, let me teach you this, my son. Come and ask me, brother. I don't have no mother. Let me teach you this, my son. The child not born yet. I don't know if I feel yet.
yeah.
So when the child listen, because you can say it's yours, keep and care it for 9 months, and don't gonna long off the child is not yours. Because remember that she did left you and go away and come back here. And go and come back here. So we don't know, you know, travel a man overseas and take him and come back and a fling belly pan you. You understand? Yeah. So until we learn that the child is yours, by the anyway you do. You put in your pocket and do. So the result come to you. The result come to you. Ruth, thank your mama. Forgot about your baby. Result come to you. She's not a baby mama. I don't know what she is because she's not even your partner. Come on, have to know, say, you and her there. And she say in our situation, I mean, it's a look of stinking pussy girl I come talk about. Oh, Jaydenn song I make me at the same baby mother. And when she said she a baby mother, she disrespect you and throw water upon you and put you out the door. And before or after? Eh?
Me no remember him. A long time me a put raw.
Jaydenn, what do you grind raw? Cha or ma? The child still cannot be yours.
So why would I want? So why would I want have that the from my back? Rose,